Good morning and welcome back to our online class. Okay. So in the previous class we had done the revised portion, right? In that revised portion we have done about the fill in the blanks as well as the number line. And today we are going to do question number 3, that is divide the following by recollecting multiplication tables. Okay. For this you have to know the multiplication table, right? So the questions will be like this. Okay. First of all, class 3. Okay, then your today's subject is your maths, right? Then date will be your 07/08/2020. Alright, now the question is divide the following by recollecting multiplication table. Question number 3, question number A. The question is like this: 20 divided by 2 equals to dash. Alright. Number B, 24 divided by 3 equals to dash. Number C, 12 divided by 1 equals to dash. Number D, 72 divided by 8 equals to dash. Number E, 56 divided by 7 equals to dash. Number F, 90 divided by 10 equals to dash. This is your question, and we have to do this question how? By recollecting the multiplication table, by revising the table, right? So which table is this? 2. 2 ones are 2, and what is here? 20. So we have to go say the table of 2 till 20, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. What is here? 20. That means 2 how much are 20? 2 tens are 20. Right? So what will be our answer over here? It will be 1, 0, 10. Right? Okay. Now, what is here? 24 and divide by 3. That means we have to say the table of 3 till 24. Understood everyone? We have to say the table of 3 till 24. So, start the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. That means what is here? 24. 3 how much are 24? 3 eights are 24. So, what is our answer over here? It will be 8. 3 eights are 24. 3 eights are 24. Right? Alright, now 12 divided by 1. Any number divided by 1, answer will be same number itself. Okay, like 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5, 1 sixes are 6, 1 sevens are 7, 1 eights are 8, 1 nines are 9, 1 tens are 10, 1 elevens are 11, 1 twelves are 12. So automatically what? Any number divided by 1, the answer will be the same number. So over here, what is our answer? Our answer will be 12. 1 to 12. Alright? Okay, next 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8. That means we have to say the table of 8. We have to go till 72. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56. What is here? Oh, sorry. 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72. What is over here? 72. So 8 how much are 72? 8 nines are 72. Right? Any doubt? Clear? You have to say the table of this number till this number. What is here? 72. So from 8, table of 8, you have to go till 72. So 8 nines is 72. So what will be our answer over here? 8 nines are 72. Alright? Next question is 56 divided by 7. 56 divided by 7. So we have to say the table of 7 till 56. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. So 7 how much is 56? 7 eights are 56. Right? Now 90 divided by 10. we have to say the table of 10 till 90. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90. So obviously 90 divided by 10, what will be our answer over here? It will be 10 nines are 90. Alright? Any doubt everyone? Is it easy? Yes? Okay. What method is this? This is the method by divide the following by recollecting multiplication table. Just we have to recollect it. Recollect the table means just we have to memorize our table and then write our answer directly. Nothing to do. Not making a division box and all. No. This is what direct answer, which is also known as fill in the blanks. Alright. Now we will do different type of question that divide the following using the short method of division. Short method of division. Now in division there are two methods. Okay. To solve division questions there are two methods. Okay. Alright. Now division. Division. This is of two parts. Division is of two types. Okay. One is your short division and long division. Short division and long division. Alright. Division is of how many types? Two types. One is short division and then is long division. Right. Short division means what? Any number will be given. Suppose 12 and here it is 4. Like this. Okay, LCM method. Short division is also known as LCM method, which you will learn when you go to the higher classes. Right. So till now, but you are in class 3. So just remember this, that division on short division means what? It will be like this. Short method, short division method. And this is long division method. Right. In short division what you have to do? This is division box will be opposite. In long division, box will be like this and 12 will be inside, 4 will be outside, like this. Did you see the difference in short division and long division? In short division, division box will be opposite, means it will be turned. And see division, long division, that box is up. Understood? Which we do usually. This is what? Long division. This is what? Short division. Now, 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 4 threes are 12. Right. This is known as what? Short division method. Right. Then here long division 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 4 threes are 12. Then minus. Then 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. So answer is what? 3. Here also answer will be what? Whatever will be left here, this will be your answer. And whatever will be left over here, that will be your answer. Understood all? Division are divided into two types or two methods. One is short division method, another one is long division method. Right? Short division method, another one is long division method. Right? In that case, what happened? In short division, the division box will be down, and in long division method, the division box will be up. That is usual, normal method. Division, when we do divide, we make the box up. That is normal. Right? But when we talk about the short division method, the box will be down. Okay, alright? Let us do some examples, then it will be more clear to you and there will be no kind of confusion. There will be no confusion at all. Right? Let us see. The question is to divide, okay, by short division method. Alright. Question number 4. Alright. Question number 4 says that divide by short division method. Alright. Divide by short division method. Alright. Now, question is like this. Question number A, 32 divided by 4. See division box, it is down, no? This is the short division method. Alright. This is the short division method. Now, question number B. Question number B, 56 divided by 8. Question number C, 98 divided by 7. Right. 32 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. So what will be our answer over here? 4 eights are 32. Okay. So what will be our answer over here? Our answer will be 8. Direct. This is what? Short division method. Right. Now 56 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56. So 8 sevens are 56. So what will be our answer over here? 7. Right. Now 98 divided by 7. See, 4, 3. 4 is bigger, 3 is smaller. Then in that case we have to take both. Right. Here also 8, 5. 8 is bigger, 5 is smaller. So we have to take both the numbers. But see here, 7 is here, 9 is here. That means what? We can take one number. We can take one number. So 7 ones are 7, 8, 9. 2 remainder. 2 is carried over here. Did you see here? 7 and 9 is there. No, so 7 ones are 7 and 2 in carry. Right? Now, 2, 8, 28. Now again say the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So 7 fours is 28. So what will be our answer over here? Our answer will be 14. Okay? If you have doubt, I will show this in long division method like this. 98 divided by 7. In this case, what you have to do, you see this is 7 and this is 9. That means I can take one number from here, right? So 7 ones are 7, then minus 2 will be remainder here, and this 8 will come down, yes or no? Then 7 fours are 28, then we will get 8 minus 8 0, 2 minus 2 0. So what is our answer? 14. Here also we got 14. Now doubt? No. Understood all? Very good. Now question number D, last question is there. Question number D is 5 and 3 5 0. Okay, 3 5 0. Now 5 3, we cannot take one number, we have to take two number. So if we take 2, it will become how much? 35. Yes. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. Now this 0 is left, no? Directly write 1 0 there. Because 5 zeros are 0. Yes or no? 5 zeros is 0. Yes or no? Then what will be our answer over here? 70. Is it clear now? Yes. If you have doubt, I can show this in this long division method also like this. 3 5 0 divided by 5. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. 5 minus 5 0. 3 minus 3 0. This 0 will come down. Yes or no? Then 5 0 the 0 then. So what is our answer? 70 70 70. Now it is clear. Yes. Okay. Now we'll do different question, that is divide the following by using long division method. This way. We'll do this way. This is known as what? Long division method. Okay. This all question was what? Divide by short division method. But now we will do division by long division method. This was short, now we will be doing long division, right? Divide number 5 divide by long division method, right? Number A, 39 divided by 3. Number B, 92 divided by 4. Alright, now see, 39 divided by 3, yes or no? That means we have to make long division normal box up, then 39 inside and 3 outside. What is this? 3. This is also 3. That means we can take one number. So 3 1s are 3 minus 0, 9 will come down. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Then 9 minus 9, 0. So what is our answer here? Our answer is 13. Alright. Same way here also, 92 divided by 4. Box 92 divided by 4. 4 and 9. That means 9 is bigger, we can take one number. Right? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. See, it is 9, no? So we cannot take 12 there. We have to take before that. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we can do here 4 2s are 8. Then 9 minus 8, 1, and these 2 will come down. So 1 to 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Then 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So what will be our answer? 2 3 20. Understood all? In the same way, 2 more questions is there. Let us do it. Any doubt? If you have doubt, you can ask me, okay? Alright. Question number C, 91 divided by 7. And question number D, 230 divided by 10. Alright. Now see, 91 divided by 7. 91 divided by 7. And here question number D, again division box, 230 divided by 10. Right? Now 7, 9. We can take because 9 is more. So 7 1s are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. And this 1 will come down. Then 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So we can directly add 7 3s are 21. Then 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So what is our answer here? Our answer will be 1 3 13. Here also. Okay. Now here 230 divided by 10. How many numbers are here? 2. So you also have to take 2 numbers from here. Okay. So 2 3 23. Now 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. So it is 23. So can we take 30 here? No. So we have to take before 30. So before 30 what is there? 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. That means 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20. Then minus 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. Then this 0 will come down. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. So obviously 10 3s are 30. So what is our answer here? 23. Understood all? If you have doubt, you ask me, I will clear your doubt. Alright. Okay. Thank you for today. Have a great day.